Sticking in Holyoke, a man arrested after officers found drugs and guns inside his home on Dwight Street. On Wednesday of this week, 23-year-old Omar Concepcion was taken into custody after violating a court order. While he was being arrested there, officers visibly spotted other drugs and guns at his home. A search warrant was then granted, and officers located large quantities of heroin, fentanyl, oxy, cocaine, and marijuana, as well as cash and a gun. Concepcion is now facing several drug trafficking and gun-related charges.